Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been following Pebble, you already know things are about to get really exciting. February has brought some massive updates across Pebble Time 2, Pebble Round 2, and the Index 01 Smart Ring, and today we're breaking it all down for you. Trust me, these updates aren't just technical details, they're game changers for anyone who's been waiting for their Pebble devices. Let's start with the Pebble Time 2. Right now, the team is deep in the production verification phase, which is basically the last stop before mass production. Think of it like the final dress rehearsal before the big show. Hundreds of watches have been built in test runs, issues were found, fixes were applied, and the big news is everything passed just before the Lunar New Year holiday. That includes a huge win for anyone who's worried about taking their watch near water. The waterproofing has been fully tested, and Pebble Time 2 is now rated at 30 meters or 3 ATM. That means you can wear it while swimming, showering, or just out in the rain without worrying. Just remember, it's not a dive watch, and hot tubs or saunas are off limits. But for everyday life, this watch is ready to handle it all. Mass production is scheduled to start on March 9th, and once things ramp up, the goal is to get around 500 watches off the production line per day. From there, they'll ship weekly to distribution centers, then get packed and delivered straight to you, typically in about a week or so. So if you're a Pebble Time 2 backer, expect your first watches to land on wrists at the beginning of April, with all pre-orders fulfilled by early June. And the team has made it simple. You'll get an email a few weeks before your watch ships so you can confirm your address, select any optional accessories like extra straps or chargers, and take care of any tariffs or taxes. For US orders, that's just $10 per watch, and other countries will calculate VAT or taxes during checkout. No surprises when it arrives. Now let's talk about the Index 01 Smart Ring, which is also moving through the production verification phase. Several hundred rings have been built so far, and the waterproof testing is looking solid. It's rated IPX8 for 1 meter of submersion, which means you can wash your hands, shower, or even do the dishes while wearing it, but swimming is still off the table. The team is also rolling out a ring sizer kit for just $10, which makes it easy to measure your finger and pick the perfect size, and they're even exploring larger sizes if there's enough interest. Mass production is aiming for March as well, though the exact start date isn't set yet. If you've been dreaming of a smart ring that's functional, sleek, and ready for daily life, this is your moment. Pebble Round 2 is progressing nicely too. They've just finished the first design verification phase, and because its electrical design is so similar to the Pebble Time 2, the firmware team can take updates they're building for PT2 and apply them to RP2 almost instantly. That's a huge speed up and means new features and bug fixes will arrive faster than ever. After the Lunar New Year, the team will focus on waterproof testing and the last-minute tweaks, with production currently expected to start in late May. For anyone waiting for the next Pebble Watch experience, RP2 is shaping up to be exactly what we hoped for. And if you thought that was all, the software updates have been just as exciting. PebbleOS and the Pebble mobile app are packed with fixes and features that make the watches even more useful. Weather updates now work in the timeline and apps, WhatsApp calls show up correctly on Android, and a major iOS crash bug that stopped live data fetching is fixed. Even older Pebble Watch faces that relied on outdated weather APIs now work again thanks to Open Medio integration. The App Store is now fully native inside the mobile app, with new filters so you can easily find working apps or open source options, and watch settings can now sync across all your Pebbles, making it seamless to switch watches without losing your setup. Health data syncing, left-handed mode, and a ton of new notification icons round out the update, giving both new users and longtime fans a better, smoother experience. So, if you're a Pebble fan, or even if you've just been waiting for these devices to finally reach you, February has brought some seriously good news. Production is moving forward, waterproofing is nailed down, mass production timelines are clear, and software improvements are making the watches more capable than ever. Whether it's PT2, RP2, or Index 01, it's safe to say that Pebble is back in a big way. That's it for today's update. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep an eye on your inbox because these watches and rings are starting to ship soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with more Pebble news and tech updates.